Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting directly to the router with an Ethernet cable or using the admin Wi-Fi account to avoid lockout. Once connected, open a browser and enter the router IP, typically 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, log in with admin credentials. Make sure to check and note the firmware version, then save a current configuration backup to your computer. Doing this prevents accidental loss and lets you restore if something goes wrong while you proceed to disable. You next navigate the router interface to the wireless, Wi-Fi, or radio settings page. Menus vary by vendor, but the labels are similar. Once there, inspect both the 4 GHz and 5 GHz sections independently. Each radio can be turned off separately. Use the toggle labeled Enable Radio, Enable Wireless, or Disable SSID Broadcast to stop wireless advertising. If there's an advanced or professional view, make sure guest networks are also disabled. Save changes and expect a brief wireless interruption while the router applies settings. You finish by rebooting the router to ensure changes take effect, then verify from a phone or laptop that the SSID is gone. Once done, if the wireless network still appears, restore your saved backup configuration, update the firmware to fix potential bugs, and repeat the disable steps. If you cannot log in or settings are corrupted, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Note this wipes custom settings. Make sure to reapply your desired configuration carefully after resetting to avoid repeats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.